Hi guys, Megan Ambroch here, founder of Cosmetics and Celebrity Makeup Artist. And today I'm going to share with you my tips, tricks, and secrets on how to diminish or hide the dreaded hooded eye. So if you don't know, a hooded eye is the excess skin over here on top of the eye that tends to overlap over your eyelids. So I definitely have some of that dreaded hooded eye, and I'm going to show you today how to diminish that and make your eyes pop, open up wider and brighter. So here we go. These are the brushes that I'll be using today. Here we go. We're going to prime the eyes to prevent increasing using the antioxidant eye base. Using the Baked Mineral Duos in Mineral Taupe and Crystal Beige, I'm going to start on the corner of the eye there and just fill that in. I am using just the basic shadow brush for that, and then we're going to windshield wiper the top of that, right above the eyeball there, because what we're going to do here is we are going to cover that hood. So this is going to actually make your eye look less hooded by putting that darker shade, that darker matte shade on top. So we're making it look natural, and these two shades are really perfect to create that natural look of, you know, the eye looks more open, it diminishes that hood, and that's it. You're just going to blend that in. The key to this is to use the correct brushes and also to blend. Now I'm taking the lighter shade and I'm applying that on the lid and right below the brow. Blend, just like I said, and that is the biggest key to creating, you know, a fresh shadow look. Next, we're going to take our precision brush, and then we're going to go with the darkest shade, using that brownish top shade, and I'm going right under my eye here, and I'm just blending that out and around. This is just going to help to frame the eye, and you're going to put that right on the lash line as well. I'm just blending everything in together, just like I said. The key to it is blend. So just blend that up and around on the bottom, and once again on the top there, close to the lash line. Now I'm going to use that top shade again, taupish brown, and I'm going to go right onto the hooded area with that precision brush. So I'm really getting in there with that shade, and you can see that I'm helping it to diminish the look of the hooded eye even more so, using that brush with the darker shade. And you can see the difference between the two. Look at that, eye-opening. Other eye. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and leave any comments or questions. Love to hear from you. And thanks for joining me. Bye.